How to use Zigbee door sensor in Azoula. Add it first. Click the plus sign to add a device. Zigbee standard. Start. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds until its light blinks. Find it. Done. It's added successfully. We can see its status in the app, open and close the door. We also need to set its function. Click on Smart. We will add automation to the door sensor. Click on the plus sign to add a new automation. Name it Door Open. Add trigger. Click on Devices. Find the door sensor. Select Turned Open. Done. Add action. You can select devices, zones, or scenes. Let's click on Zones. We want to apply it to the living room. For action, select Turn On. OK, click Save to save the settings. Let's add another automation. When the door closes, turn off the lights in the living room. In action, select Turn Off. Done. The door sensor function has been set up. When the door opens, the living room lights are automatically turned on. When the door is closed, the lights in the living room are automatically turned off. Door open, lights on. Door closed, lights off. Door sensors can also be bound to individual luminaires. Just select Devices and Add Action, and then select the fixture. We turned off the previous automation, and it now only works on 06 fixtures. Look at the effect. Door open, light on. Door closed, light off. You can also bind scenes. We select Scenes and Add Action. Door open and door close are bound to all on and all off respectively. Look at the effect. Door open, all lights on. Door closed, all lights off.
Open. Off.